Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about our good website, bad website smackdown, and I have chosen the topic of furniture or home shopping. Now, with both these websites I've chosen, Wayfair and FlexShopper, they both offer you a variety of different items for the home as well as a wide range of prices for different budgets, of course. Now, with Wayfair, they provide an easy-to-use search bar and it allows the customer to search exactly what they're looking for on Wayfair. It also provides a great concept of moderation in the website design itself. This allows the customer to browse without too many pop-ups or ads or crowded items on the screen. So as you can see, we have our search bar up here. As well as that, you have room ideas where you can kind of go in and put your paint and your items in there before buying the items, which really helps the website sell a lot more product. It also offers all your categories at the top, and also uses a great dominant skill of striking colors that really pop to the viewer. So you have your organization here where you can find whatever you're looking for, if you want a rug, if you need lighting, if you're searching for a kid's room or an adult's room. Down here provides the sale aspect of the website, but it is all in one color, which really shows up well on the website to the viewer. And at the bottom, they kind of limit their what's going on right now and might be ending soon. And overall, it just creates a very positive, bright, open, but yes, yet classy and a little bit more organized approach to the website itself. Now, to FlexShopper over here. While this website also shows us a different variety of items, there is a search bar, so you could type in couch or anything like that you would need. While this website is good for furniture shopping, it also allows you to buy other things for the home, such as appliances or electronics. Now, why that benefits them greatly, it also really hurts the company, because if you scroll down, there are so many ads within this website, and the organization is just a very, very clustered kind of piece here, and you have your electronics, and while they're organized into categories, it also can confuse the reader because there's so much going on and you don't have one focus. Now, this can lead people to buy other things that they weren't necessarily looking for, but in the end, that can lead to a lot of overwhelming facts for the customer that can have them go back to a website that is very organized, like Wayfair, and you'll find exactly what you're looking for here. Another aspect is the lack of organization that really affects our websites, whether it be good or bad. FlexShopper does not offer the best idea of this and can really affect how the consumer sees everything and what they want to buy and how much they want to spend, where Wayfair provides almost everything they would need: your cart, what you saw recently if you were on their website previously, and things they recommend for you based on your ideas and what you've looked at. Overall, I would definitely recommend Wayfair if you had to choose between the two. Thank you.